Hey, welcome to the show today. Today we're going to be drawing some cool little creatures in a drawing adventure. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show today. Let's get started on our drawing adventures of our creatures. First of all, let's go ahead and draw a land. All right, we're going to draw this kind of a ground level. Maybe we can draw a hill and some bumpy terrain like this. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw a tree. So my tree is going to be kind of just a different tree that maybe you've never seen before. And the branches are just going to be kind of just smooth and rounded, just like that. Just a fun little tree with wavy branches. Just let your imagination be super creative. The leaves, just nice wavy leaves. Just have fun. This is for you. This is your little happy world. Just a nice little place to go and relax. Just a fun thing. Then I'm going to draw some fun little creatures here. And my little creatures will just kind of come up like that. They'll have stubby feet on them. They're almost like those ugly dolls that you might see. And my little guys will have some big eyes, some pupils there, and the mouth is just a straight line, just like that. And if you want to, you can put some arms on there. You don't even have to add fingers if you don't want to. Right? Something like that. Little creature out there, yeah. Maybe I'll draw some other little creatures here. Kind of come up. Just be really smooth and have rounded lines and curves. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is erase it. This guy will have one big eye, and maybe he'll stick his tongue out. And he'll have a couple little horns up here. And maybe I'll put some little arms. Maybe he'll have two sets of arms. It's okay. Just experiment. And if you are with your pencil, you can erase some lines in there. Have fun. Maybe I'll add another creature over here. This one will have, maybe I'll have something coming out of its head, like a little type of an ear or just something floppy, and just using the curves. Come down. Don't be afraid to make some new ways of lines and experiment. This one will have a bunch of eyes. And then a mouth like this. Some little teeth right there. Just kind of fun. And maybe this one will have some little arms going up. Maybe he's doing a little dance. Just a fun little guy right there. And I got to draw a few clouds up in the sky here. Just kind of creative. I love looking at clouds, don't you? Just trying to find new pictures in the clouds and shapes, and Sometimes you can see like an elephant or a fish in the clouds. Just make some nice shapes. This is your world. This is your world you're creating. You can make it look any way you want to. And you could put some different kind of flowers in there. Remember, the flowers can be any way you want them to look like. Just some nice, beautiful little things that kind of pop out of the ground. Make different shapes. Just have fun. Over here you can put another little creature. Bring it down. And some legs, stumpy little legs, just like that. Just one little eye. Kind of looks like he has his arms out like this, doesn't it? So this is a happy little world that you created from your imagination. I love drawing because it's just so relaxing. And I hope you are having a relaxing day too. Hey, I would really appreciate it if you would hit subscribe on my channel so you don't miss one exciting drawing episode. And like always, have a wonderful, beautiful day. Adios!